Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to change WhatsApp language. Let's go. WhatsApp facilitates communication between friends and family members who live in different countries and continents thanks to internet messaging and the later addition of voice and video calls. In WhatsApp there is variety of languages. You can use WhatsApp in any language, apart from English if you want to. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the last option, which is Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down and tap on the globe icon, which is the option to change language in WhatsApp. All you have to do next is select any language that you want from the list of available languages. I am selecting this one. Once you have selected the language of your choice, that will be set as the app language your WhatsApp. Now you can navigate through the app and understand all the options in your chosen language. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.